YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this date night makeup tutorial. This is perfect for Valentine's Day because I know it's coming up. Or if you're watching this after Valentine's Day, this is still perfect for a date night look. It's super simple and just very classy and elegant and just super pretty. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. You guys, today's video is going to be so easy, so simple, even a caveman could do it. Like, cavemen watching this, what's up? So for our eyes, all we're going to be doing is some winged liner. And actually, I can't believe I'm doing winged liner on camera because I struggle so much with wing liner. Like, they never come out the same, or it's just a mess. Wing liner is hard, okay? But what makes it a little bit easier is usually the type of liner you use. I prefer to use the NYX matte liquid liner. This is my favorite eyeliner. Not only is it affordable, but it's super matte, which I love. And I feel like the wand is super easy to work with. That's what it looks like. I'm not even gonna lie though, before this one, my favorite liquid liner was the NYC one, but they discontinued it. Like, what happened to NYC? Did the whole brand just disappear? That was the best liquid liner ever, and I can't find it anywhere, so I tried out the NYX one. The NYX one is great as well. I'm gonna try to walk you guys through this, but I might struggle because I can't see. I need to get real close to the mirror, so bear with me. I'm going to start out towards the end of my eye right here, and I'm just gonna make a line and flick it outwards. You can make it as long or as short as you please. I prefer long liner. I think this is pretty okay. Oh, if you have hooded eyes like me while you're doing this, please do not close your eyes. Well, not close your eyes, but please don't do this. What I'm doing right now, like just having your eyes open, like normal, don't do that. Like, you have to stay like this until it dries. Now I just connected, you guys saw what I did. I don't know how to explain it. You guys saw what I did. Now I'm just filling it in. Also, you can make your liner as thick or as thin as you please. I think this is pretty okay. I am gonna clean it up with concealer just because I want it to be a little sharper. Keep that in mind always. You know, if you mess up, don't beat yourself up over it. You could always clean it up with concealer. And I actually I met this makeup artist recently, and she gave me a tip. She said you could also use eye cream to clean up your concealer, which I think is pretty cool because sometimes you can go overboard with the concealer and then you can feel the thickness of the concealer like right by your eye, or the concealer is too bright and then it's hard to hide it. So yeah, eye cream and concealer are your two best bets. Now I'm gonna do the other eye and hope that it comes out somewhat similar. So that's as similar as these liners are gonna get. They're not perfect, whatever. I'm not perfect. Try your best, you guys, but it doesn't really matter because if we're gonna be applying some big fluffy lashes, the lashes are gonna be hiding whatever's going on with the liner. So today I'm using my favorite lashes ever. These are the Baddie B Lashes in the style Instahoe. Alright you guys, so now we're going to move on to foundation, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Praline, mixed in with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Sunlight. Now to conceal, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. Now to brighten, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 280. Now to set my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. Now we're going to be finishing up the eyes, and the first thing we're going to do is go over the eyeliner with some more eyeliner, just in case any of the lash glue is visible. So now that we did that, we want to line our waterline with a white liner. I'm using the NYX retractable white liner. This is just going to make our eyes pop and look bigger. You guys see the difference? So I applied mascara off camera, and now you just want to add a gold shadow or gold highlighter to your inner corners. I'm using the Bobbi Brown highlighter in the shade Bronze Glow. I'm going to apply some of that to my brow bone too. We're going to contour with the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. Now I'm going to bronze with the NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. We're going in with blush, and this is the Tarte Party Blush. So now I'm going to highlight the highest points of my cheeks with the same highlighter I used in my inner corners. Alright, so now last but not least, we're going to do lips, and I'm using the Ebates liquid lipstick in the shade Serafine. So that is it for this date night makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.